Hello. Welcome to my channel today. I'm going to show you how to remove Apple Intelligence from unsupported device after installation. Here you can see I have installed Apple Intelligence. So now, I'm going to remove Apple Intelligence from my device. Here I'm using 18.2 Beta 2. And I'm using the device iPhone 14 Pro. So just follow the steps, step by step, and you can also remove yourself easily. No need to worry about the conclusions. Just follow the steps, connect the device with the cable. Once the device is connected, refresh the Nugget app. Type the password and then click on Mobile Desktop. And then disable the Enable Charge Limit. And then go to Eligibility. Disable Apple Intelligence and supported devices. OK, once done, go to Apply. And then Remove. In the middle bottom you see Tweak Remove All, click on it T. Once as you click on L Tweak, no need to add files and your devices get reboot. Whatever the configuration you have done will be removed after reboot. OK. That's where after reboot I will show you. Now Apple logo has came. One, two, five. And then go back and then go back to settings. Then go to Siri section. Here, you can see before Apple Intelligence and now Siri. We don't have any more Apple Intelligence. OK. It's easy way to remove and add Apple Intelligence. Whenever you want to remove, you can easily remove. OK, thank you.